लंबे पॉडकास्ट देखने के लिए टाइम नहीं है? Here we come with Beyond the Noise clips. Please subscribe us on this channel also and hear more insights from us. Thank you.
I want those 22 startups name कि it's fintech, edutech, many more tech, right? तो कौन से टेक में आपने इतने सारे स्टार्टअप किए? I just want to you to reframe that all startups.
So Ecomission is the current startup what I've been building.
It's in fintech.
It's a fintech.
Okay.
And what we do, it's a data entry automation. So आज की डेट में if you see accountant as a vocation मर रहा है. If you ask anybody कि accountant बनना है तो there is not much of keen interest. It could be commerce graduate, it could be arts, could be anybody. Tally आता है? नहीं, ये सब बैठ के काम नहीं करना है. I'll be happy to do work for Uber or stand in a DMart kind of place where वो ईयरफोन लगा के म्यूजिक सुनूँ, एसी में चाहिए, बट अकाउंटिंग नहीं करना है.
नहीं करना.
बट एट सेम टाइम द वे इंडिया इज रैपिडली ग्रोइंग, सी द ट्रांजैक्शंस. Even open Zomato any single day, you will set 8 lakh bills per day, 10 lakh bills per day. Forget one thing, not Zomato. There are lakhs of businesses going on. Account to karna padega bhai. So we know the drill. So what we are building an Ecomission, just it's a data entry automation tool. So just click it, a photograph you have, so for example, you went to Starbucks, you had a coffee and you want to reimburse it from your office expense. So WhatsApp कर दो and accountant को आप भेज दोगे ये bill मेरा in this trip. Instead of that, same bill will go to Tally with your MIS software. So entry करने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है.
तो आपको टेली ऑपरेटर की भी जरूरत
बिल्कुल नहीं है. सो आप प्यून हो या प्रोपराइटर हो या सिक्योरिटी गार्ड, ही और शी विल बिकम योर अकाउंटेंट.
दैट्स समथिंग ग्रेट.
That's something very great and which we have built recently, and in very short span of time we have touched a very sizable, almost 700 to 800 users in just span of 5 months.
Wow, that's great. And the last and final question which I want you to answer is, where do you see the ecosystem of startups in India by the year of 2030 or beyond that?
Very, very high. It would be, as I said, it's already growing, but yes, it would be in multiple folds. And thanks to this new policies by government, the kind of grants they are provoking, the guidance they are helping. And to be very honest, not only restricted to startups, something is called MSME, medium and small industry. That is next big thing. Say industries like semiconductor. Now, why on earth everybody's eyeing on India, and why not India? Why Gujarat and why Ahmedabad?
Exactly. Yeah.
So SAMI is next big thing. Place like Sanand, place like Dholera, there are multiple companies who will be manufacturing chips. I'll give you a small example of Apple. iPhone make in India is such a boon to India. First year we exported iPhones from India, $10,000 crores. Then second year, 33,000. Last year, if I'm not wrong, it is $1 lakh crores worth of iPhones are exported from India.
Exported from
India because it is made in India. Everything Apple is designed in California, manufactured in other countries.
So that was some great insights, Chinmay, so that
Thank
you. early startup founders और जिसने अभी startup किया है और वो scale up करना चाहते हैं वो सुनेंगे तो भी उनको पता चले that what are some points which we need to improvise और ये points मेरे को नहीं करने हैं. You told about co-working spaces. Correct. About your team and many more things. So isse everyone is getting a good sort of insight. And what do I suggest to my community specifically, that you should have a notebook and a pen and paper while watching our podcast. ये सब points हर बार आप reframe नहीं कर पाओगे. But when you write them all, when you see them in your morning thing or whenever you एक बार आप देख लेते हो तो आपको पता चलता है कि कौन सी चीज़ों में मेरे को ये सब ध्यान रखना है.
डेफिनेटली वो 100% it will help. So आज की डेट में no matter what digital transformation I do, I always keep a diary with me. नोट डाउन करें.
गुजराती कोर्ट के लखेલું જ
બોલે સાચી વાત છે.
So my father is always strict in that thing, that when you are spending I need something on a written note. I don't want in that notes. मेरे को एप्पल नोट में नहीं चाहिए, मेरे को एक पेपर में चाहिए. मेरे को इसमें लिख लेना है और मेरे को दिखाना है. The old school calculations.
बिल्कुल ना डायरी है. That is the thing. No matter एप्पल पेंसिल आ गई लेकिन वो नटराज पेंसिल ही चलती है.
Exactly.